y'all. Welcome back to my channel. This is a Whataburger mukbang. Ooh. I got pancakes and a biscuit and orange juice and what else did I get? Oh yeah, hash browns. I've never had their pancakes. So we are about to try them. I'm really hungry. Their pancakes are good. Their hash browns are good. Some people may not know what Whataburger is. It's called Whataburger, but I've always, I guess it's just because my southern drawl, I say water burger, but it's Whataburger. And I guess it's like in the southern states. I don't really know. I get their what is this called? Oh yeah, bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit off the breakfast menu because it's like 12 a.m. right now. And then it comes with the hash browns, and I get an orange juice for my drink, which I don't think they gave me a straw. That sucks. That sucks. But Whataburger is pretty much like diner food, but like fast food, pretty much. That's pretty much how I'd actually describe it, actually. I'll save the rest of that. Pancakes for in the morning. Because they give you 3 pancakes. I don't even know how much that was. So, at this moment right now, we are having another, why do I still have my seatbelt on? Another pandemic virus. I'm not really worried about it because I believe in destiny. Ever since my wreck, I'm just a firm believer in destiny. And I just believe that if something's gonna happen, it's gonna happen. You can't stop it. So why? Ooh, I have a straw though. So why even worry about it? And also today at my job, because I work at a clinic, and I don't have hands on with patients anymore. I mean, not right now. Not at Texas, not at where I work, but I will once I go back to caregiving. But still, that doesn't matter. But it was just, either way, we had a meeting at my work, and they were telling us how, you know, if you're stressing, if you're worrying, if you're this and that, it's gonna hurt your immune system. You know, it's not gonna do anything but like make it like easier for you to get the disease. So you shouldn't worry about it. I just know that not too long ago, there was a pandemic called Ebola. And everybody was freaking out about that. And we're all still here. Some of us wish we were dead. Not me, personally, but I'm just saying, there's a lot of people out there, but I'm just saying, as an example, you know, like, we're still here, we're still around, and that was years ago. Like, I think for the most part, I'm just gonna stay in my lane and do what I keep doing because I'm not sick. And I know for one thing, I'm going to get my nails done tomorrow. And I'm going to coronavirus. I'm just kidding. I'm going to get my eyebrows done too. And I'm going shopping. Like, I've got stuff I've got to get done. Like, I'm not gonna stop because we have another pandemic coming around. Like, imagine if we would have just stopped everything for Ebola. I don't know. I think personally, me, I'm gonna take precautions. Anyways, I've eaten all my food. Not all of it, but I'm gonna save those pancakes for actually in the morning. So I'm gonna actually eat those in the morning, and yeah. But yeah, thank y'all for watching my video. If you like the videos, subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, please like this video. Like, literally push the like button.